In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your sheet to PDF in Smartsheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can share or archive a clean, professional-looking PDF of your work without any confusion. Start by opening the specific sheet you want to export. Make sure it's the exact one with the data and layout you want to capture, because the export will reflect what you see. If you've applied filters or hidden columns, the PDF will typically mirror that view, so it helps to give everything a quick glance before moving on. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top left of the screen. Near your profile or sheet name, you'll find a three-dot icon, often called the More menu. It can be easy to overlook because it's small, but it's your gateway to export options. Click that three-dot icon to reveal a small menu. From that menu, choose Export. This option gathers all the available formats for getting your sheet out of Smartsheet. Selecting Export keeps things simple and puts you right where you need to be for saving a copy of your work. After choosing Export, select PDF. That's the format most people want when they need a fixed, shareable version that looks the same for everyone. Once you pick PDF, Smartsheet will prepare your file. Depending on your setup, you may see a quick preview, or your browser may immediately start the download. If a file doesn't appear, it's often just a browser download setting or a pop-up blocker, so keep an eye on the downloads area. That's all there is to it. Your sheet is now exported to a PDF and ready to send to teammates, attach to an email, or store for your records. The file name usually reflects the sheet name, which helps with organization. If you want the PDF to reflect specific columns, sorting, or filters, make those changes in your sheet view before exporting so the final result matches your intent. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. On smaller screens, the three-dot icon may be tucked away if the window is narrow, so giving the app a bit more space can help it appear. And if your PDF looks different than expected, double-check the sheet's visible columns and any active filters, since the export follows what you see on screen. To recap, open your sheet, click the three-dot icon at the top left, choose Export, and select PDF. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.